I'm Julie Blanner from the lifestyle website julieblanner.com, where I share easy recipes, effortless entertaining ideas, home decor, and so much more. Today I'm joining my friend Chloe from Boxwood Avenue in sharing a beautiful Easter table setting that's easy to achieve. If you haven't seen from my Instagram stories, Chloe and I are really great friends, and I know you're going to love her style so much. Her home is just as beautiful as she is, inside and out. Anyways, let's get started. Now I have a post on how to arrange tulips if you're going to create a huge centerpiece, and you can find the details to that in the description below. But today what we're going to do is we're going to make a bunch of miniature centerpieces. I love miniature centerpieces for scattering across the table to make a table look really full, but also to allow people to see over the flowers. It really helps to engage in conversation. Anyway, so I picked up 5 bunches of tulips. And we have 5 glasses. These are just everyday drinkware glasses, which I'll also link below. They're so inexpensive, but I love, love, love anything that can double for another use. And these glasses often double as a vase in our home. So we're gonna take these really inexpensive tulips. They were 10 stems for $4.99 and create our table setting. Let's get started. The first rule of tulips is that the less fuss, the better. So I'm gonna kind of measure and see where I want these to fall. And I can always go shorter, I can never go taller. So I'm gonna kind of measure right here. And I have a handy little trash can right below me, which allows me to discard any stems. Another secret to arranging tulips is that they always look better the second and third day. And this applies to roses as well. Because once they hit the water, they'll start really opening up and they kind of get comfortable in their vase and they'll just droop beautifully. So we're just going to place these in our vase and whoa, see, that was way too tall. But like I said, we can always go shorter. We can never grow them back. So we're gonna trim them up again, and I like to keep them in an equal length. And I think I'm gonna take off a few more inches actually. And you can see I'm discarding any of these that fall off, which will be most of them at this point. Okay, so you see that we have our first arrangement. Now these are really going to get droopy and beautiful in the next day or two. You can also insert a copper penny if you ever want to revive them again. So I highly encourage you to arrange these a day or two in advance and wish I had done the same for this table setting. But sometimes you just run out of time. So now what we're going to do is we're going to keep working doing multiple bunches of tulips. And we're gonna just take one of these stems out so we can kind of measure and keep it all about the same height. I chose tulips because they're inexpensive, beautiful, and synonymous with Easter. Again, I'm just going to remove these excess leaves, place them all in a vase kind of as they lie. You can regroup them together by hand if you prefer. But really, this couldn't be easier. I like to keep my centerpieces really quick and easy to achieve because I'm usually focused on cooking, you know, and things like that before I have guests coming over. And with 3 little girls, time is always of the essence. So I'm gonna just save some stems behind too. It looks like I had a few more stems in this bunch. And we can fill in other centerpieces later. Now we're going to fill each arrangement with a little bit of water. Now for this easy Easter table setting, I'm just using a few thoughtful elements, including those arrangements we just made, some beautiful plates that I'll link to below that I had custom made just a couple months ago and I'm absolutely loving, And of course, silverware. You don't need a whole lot. Your guests at your table are the true decor. Now we're going to start adding our sweet little bunny cakes throughout. Adorable little bunnies can be made with a glaze or without one. Either way, they're perfect. You can also dust them with powdered sugar. But pound cake is so rich and delicious, it doesn't need anything. So much for watching. Don't forget to check out the description below for everything I mentioned in today's video and to see Chloe's table setting as well. Also, don't forget to click subscribe for more easy recipes, entertaining ideas like arranging flowers and learning calligraphy and so much more. I'll see you again soon.